Imagine never seeing your mechanic again, except for oil changes. Sounds impossible, right? Most cars today are designed to break right after the warranty expires, keeping repair shops busy and your wallet empty. But 11 cars completely ignore this money-grabbing scheme. These cars are built so tough that drivers easily reach 300,000 miles without big repairs. Welcome to Built-in Boost, where we break down the hype, cut through the marketing, and give you the real story behind the badge. If you want a ride that starts every morning for the next 15 years without stress, hit the like button and stick around, because number 7 is the car that makes gas stations hate you. Number 1. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is America's most reliable midsize sedan that simply refuses to break down. Toyota builds this car to run forever without causing headaches or draining your wallet. The simple 4-cylinder engine avoids fancy turbo parts that fail on other cars, and the automatic transmission keeps shifting smoothly for years. Camry owners regularly drive these cars past 300,000 miles with just basic oil changes. Best years to buy are 2018 and newer with better technology, or the super reliable 2012 to 2017 models that never break. Skip the 2007 to 2009 years that had oil burning issues. Real costs make the Camry perfect for smart buyers. New ones start around $25,000 and used models stay affordable. You will spend about $350 per year on maintenance because Toyota parts are cheap. Oil changes cost $40, brakes cost $280, and big repairs almost never happen. The Camry wins by being totally boring in the best way possible. It starts every morning, gets good gas mileage, and never surprises you with expensive problems. Number 2. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord fights the Camry for the title of most dependable family car in America. Honda makes this sedan tough enough to handle whatever you throw at it. The 4-cylinder engine stays simple and reliable, while the transmission shifts smoothly year after year. Honda owners love bragging about hitting 250,000 miles without major breakdowns. Smart buyers should look at 2018 and newer models with updated features, or grab the bulletproof 2013 to 2017 years that proved Honda still knows how to build cars right. Stay away from 2008 to 2012 models that had transmission troubles. Money-wise, the Accord makes perfect sense for families. New ones cost around $26,000 and hold their value well. You will pay roughly $400 yearly for upkeep because Honda keeps parts affordable. Quick lube places charge $45 for oil changes. Brake pads cost $300, and serious problems rarely happen. The Accord delivers exactly what busy families need: reliable transportation that never quits on you. Whether driving to work or taking road trips, this car just works without creating stress. Number 3. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla proves that small cars can be absolute tanks when built right. This compact sedan laughs at high mileage numbers that would kill other vehicles. Toyota designed the Corolla to be the ultimate commuter car that sips gas and never breaks down. The tiny engine might not win any races, but it will outlast engines twice its size without breaking a sweat. Best buying options are 2020 and newer, with the fresh design and better interior space, or the rock-solid 2014 to 2019 generation that owners drove into the ground without issues. Skip 2009 to 2013 models that had some early wear problems. Budget-friendly ownership makes the Corolla perfect for first-time buyers and penny pinchers. New models start at just $23,000, while used ones stay cheap to buy and operate. Maintenance costs only $320 per year because everything on this car costs less to fix. Oil changes run $35, new tires cost $400, and breakdowns happen so rarely that most owners forget cars need repairs. The Corolla wins by being the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it vehicle that gets incredible gas mileage while refusing to die. Number 4. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic turns daily driving into a stress-free experience that your wallet will love. Honda packed this compact car with their best reliability tricks while keeping it fun to drive. The efficient engine delivers great gas mileage without sacrificing durability, and the manual or automatic transmission options both last for decades. Civic drivers regularly brag about reaching 200,000 miles with nothing but routine maintenance. Top choices are 2022 and newer with the redesigned body and improved tech, or the proven 2016 to 2021 generation that fixed earlier engine issues. Avoid 2006 to 2011 models that had some cracked engine block problems. Money savings make the Civic a winner for budget-conscious drivers. New ones start around $24,000 and used models offer amazing bang for your buck. Annual upkeep runs about $375 with Honda parts staying reasonably priced. Oil changes cost $40, brake jobs run $275, and major failures stay extremely rare. The Civic excels at being the perfect first car or daily driver that handles city traffic, highway cruising, and weekend adventures without ever leaving you stranded or surprised by repair bills. Number 5. Chevrolet Equinox. The Chevrolet Equinox holds its own in the compact SUV market by blending everyday comfort with solid American utility. Chevy designed this crossover to cover school runs during the week and road trips on the weekend without breaking a sweat. threat. The reliable 4-cylinder engine paired with optional all-wheel drive gives drivers confidence in snow, rain, or shine while still delivering fuel economy close to a sedan. Equinox owners appreciate its no-drama reliability and the fact that it just gets the job done day after day. Smart buyers should focus on 2018 and newer models, which feature improved infotainment and advanced safety tech, or the trusted 2013 to 2017 generation that earned a reputation for durability. Avoid 2010 to 2012 models that struggled with excessive oil consumption. Affordable maintenance makes the Equinox attractive for families on a budget. New models start around $28,000 and hold respectable resale value compared to rivals. Annual upkeep runs about $450, with Chevy parts widely available and inexpensive nationwide. Oil changes hover near $55. Tire rotations are often free at local dealers, and major breakdowns are rare enough that extended warranties don't get much use. The Equinox succeeds by being a versatile, family-ready SUV that delivers confidence without the extra cost. Number 6. Ford Edge. The Ford Edge stands tall in the midsize SUV category by combining bold styling with a car-like driving experience. Ford built this crossover to serve as both a weekday commuter and a weekend adventure machine. Its strong turbocharged 4-cylinder or available V6 engines paired with optional all-wheel drive deliver confidence in any condition without guzzling fuel like larger SUVs. Edge owners enjoy the spacious cabin, smooth ride, and tech features that make daily driving effortless. Smart shoppers should look for 2019 and newer models with updated safety suites and a refined interior, or the dependable 2015 to 2018 generation known for its durability. Skip the earlier 2007 to 2010 years that faced transmission issues. With affordable upkeep, the Edge appeals to families needing room and reliability. New models start around $31,000 and hold their value fairly well. Expect to spend roughly $475 a year on maintenance, with Ford parts affordable and easy to find nationwide. Oil changes average $55, tire rotations are often included at dealerships, and serious repairs are uncommon. The Ford Edge thrives by being a comfortable, capable SUV that handles family life with ease. Number 7. Toyota Prius. The Toyota Prius revolutionized how we think about fuel economy while secretly being one of the most reliable cars ever built. This hybrid legend delivers 50 miles per gallon while laughing at repair shops that rarely see these cars. Toyota's hybrid system has been refined for over 2 decades, creating a powertrain that outlasts traditional engines. Prius drivers regularly hit 300,000 miles while spending almost nothing on gas or major repairs. Best picks are 2016 and newer, with the updated design and better interior space, or the rock-solid 2010 to 2015 generation that proved hybrid technology actually works long-term. Skip 2004 to 2009 models that had some early battery concerns. Money-saving ownership makes the Prius unbeatable for budget-focused drivers. New models start around $27,000, while used ones offer incredible value. Annual maintenance costs only $400 because the hybrid system reduces wear on brake pads and engine components. Oil changes cost $45, brake pads last 80,000 miles, and the hybrid battery rarely needs replacement before 200,000 miles. The Prius dominates by combining extreme fuel savings with bulletproof reliability that keeps money in your pocket. Number 8. Dodge Durango. The Dodge Durango dominates the full-size SUV space by blending muscle car attitude with real family practicality. Dodge designed this beast to haul kids to school during the week and tow a boat or camper on the weekend without hesitation. The standard V6 provides solid performance and decent fuel economy, while the optional HEMI V8 brings raw power unmatched by rivals in its class. Durango owners love its aggressive looks and the fact that it drives more like a performance SUV than a minivan alternative. Smart buyers should target 2018 and newer models with advanced driver assist features and improved interiors, or the proven 2014 to 2017 generation known for its toughness. Avoid the 2011 to 2013 models that struggled with electrical gremlins. With reasonable upkeep for a large SUV, the Durango fits families who want muscle and space in one package. New models start around $39,000, and resale values stay strong thanks to demand for its towing capacity. Yearly maintenance averages $500, with Mopar parts accessible nationwide. Oil changes cost about $60, tire rotations are often bundled with dealer service, and major engine repairs are rare if serviced on schedule. The Durango succeeds by being the ultimate SUV for families who want power without compromise. Number 9. Lexus ES. The Lexus ES brings luxury car comfort with Toyota reliability that wealthy buyers absolutely love. Lexus builds this premium sedan using the same bulletproof engineering as Toyota, but wraps it in leather seats and premium materials. The smooth V6 engine delivers refined power, while the transmission shifts so quietly you barely notice it working. ES owners expect perfection and rarely get disappointed even after years of ownership. Purchase 2019 and newer models with the completely redesigned platform and advanced safety features, or grab the proven 2013 to 2017 2018 generation that delivered flawless reliability. Avoid 2007 to 2012 models that had some early infotainment issues. Premium ownership costs reflect the luxury positioning but stay reasonable. New models start around $41,000, while used examples hold value exceptionally well. Annual maintenance runs $520 because luxury parts cost more but last longer. Oil changes cost $65, brake service runs $450, and major problems rarely occur. The ES excels at being the ultimate luxury sedan that pampers you with comfort while delivering the same legendary reliability that made Toyota famous worldwide. Number 10. GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia competes in the midsize SUV market by delivering professional-grade styling with family-first versatility. GMC designed this crossover to manage weekday carpools and cross-country vacations without complaint. Its efficient 4-cylinder or available V6 engine, paired with front or all-wheel drive, gives buyers flexibility in both performance and fuel economy. Acadia owners appreciate the comfortable ride, premium features, and solid build quality that makes it feel a step above mainstream rivals. Smart shoppers should look for 2020 and newer models with refreshed styling and modern safety gear, or the reliable 2014 to 2019 generation praised for comfort and value. Avoid 2007 to 2012 models that had transmission troubles. With manageable upkeep, the Acadia appeals to families who want refinement without breaking the bank. New models start around $36,000 and maintain decent resale values. Expect about $470 a year in maintenance costs, with GMC parts widely available across the U.S. Oil changes run near $55, tire rotations are often free with service packages, and major repairs remain rare. The Acadia shines as a family-friendly SUV with upscale touches and long-lasting dependability. Number 11. Buick Enclave. The Buick Enclave stands out in the large SUV segment by mixing near-luxury comfort with everyday family utility. Buick engineered this crossover to handle school drop-offs, long highway trips, and everything in between with quiet confidence. Its smooth V6 engine and optional all-wheel drive deliver steady performance while still returning respectable fuel economy for its size. Enclave owners love the upscale cabin, roomy third row, and hushed ride that feels more premium than mainstream rivals. Smart buyers should shop 2018 and newer models with improved infotainment and driver assist tech, or the proven 2013 to 2017 generation that offered excellent reliability. Skip the 2008 to 2011 years that struggled with transmission issues. Affordable maintenance for a near-luxury SUV makes the Enclave a strong family choice. New models start around $43,000 and hold value well thanks to Buick's reputation for comfort and longevity. Annual maintenance averages $480, with parts reasonably priced across the U.S. Oil changes are about $55. Tire rotations often come free at Buick dealerships, and major breakdowns are uncommon. The Enclave delivers by being a premium family hauler that blends comfort, space, and dependability. So there you have it, 11 cars that simply refuse to break down. Buy any car on this list and you will sleep better, knowing your ride will start tomorrow morning. These cars prove that reliable transportation still exists when you pick the right models. Which car are you thinking about buying? Drop your choice in the comments. If this video helped you dodge unreliable cars, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving car tips. Turn on the bell so you don't miss our weekly car tips that keep your money safe.